Yay, buenos dias. Little regalo para ustedes, little gift for you guys if you've been paying attention. This is the end of the semester of Español Uno, and good job for following along so far. We're actually going to do the autoevaluación for 3-3 together, so if you want to try it by yourself, that's fine first, and then just stop the recording and try it yourself, and then we'll help you out. But if you just want somebody to guide you along, estoy aquí para ti. I'm here for you. So again, this is the autoevaluación. Oops, it is. ¿Dónde está? In your VHL for Friday, el 15 de enero. All right, let's see what happens. We're gonna conjugating. Remember, hopefully you did review the videos and the conjugations for the verbs first of all. These are ER and IR verbs. So check it out. Comprender. I understand is yo. Yes. All right, yeah. All right, try to say it out loud when I ask you. Just see if you can. All right, nosotros, nosotras, and comprender. Remember, it was amos for the AR verbs. Now it's hemos. Comprendemos. Comprendemos. Nosotros comprendemos. Ellos or ellas with comprender. They understand. Comprenden. You got it. Comprenden. So it's o, es, hemos, es, en. Yo with vivir. I live. You got it. Yo vivo. And tú vives. It's helpful when you do these if you wrote down the endings and you have them right there anyway. So, ellos and ellas. Oops. You got it. Viven. Yeah. And it's good that you learn these because at some point we might go back to regular school or you're going to have to know them. So even if you're like following along now, make sure you might have real quizzes next time in Español 2 or 3. So look out. All right. Select the appropriate words. Tu el almuerzo con tus amigos. You blank lunch with your friends. Ooh, you're going to share. Which one would it be? Tu is, yes. Tu compartes el almuerzo con tus amigos. Usted, remember that's like the bottom left category there. So you, something on Fridays. Los viernes, you run. Usted corre. Los viernes. Usted corre los viernes. Nuestro abuelo. Now, nuestro is not nosotros, but it's our uncle. Sorry, our grandfather, my bad. Our grandfather is one guy, so it's kind of like él. So él, vive en una casa muy bonita. He lives in a pretty house. Los turistas, they're plural people, so kind of like ellos or ellas. Describen sus experiencias. Experiencias. So they describe their experiences. Tomás y yo, and this is tough. It's not just Tomás, it's not just yo, but it's Tomás y yo. So it's us together, kind of like nosotros. So look for something with an, there you go. Leemos unos libros. So it's like we, us together. Tomás y yo leemos unos libros. Ustedes. Ustedes is in that ellos and ellas category in the bottom right. So you have deciden. Deciden, deciden. Estudiar ciencias. You decide to study science. Ay, bueno, ahora tenemos oraciones, some sentences. Making a sentence. Like los profesores viven lejos de la escuela, far from the school. And if you keep up with your Duolingo, you'll know a lot of these small words like lejos de, far from. All right, we have Ángel. Ángel. Oh, they won't let me do a capital. Oh, they would let me do a capital. Hold on. Boop-a-doop. Yeah. Ángel. Now, abrir. Drop off the IR and add E. You got it. Abre. La puerta. You need these small words like la puerta. And laboratorio. It's not de la. It's del because it's masculine. The door of the laboratory. So, Ángel abre la puerta del laboratorio. All right, mi cuñada y yo. Okay. Mi cuñada y yo. Cuñada y yo. Oops, lo siento. Mi cuñada y yo. So my sister-in-law and I. So it's both of us. So it's like the nosotros form. So decidimos. And now since you already have decidimos conjugated, you don't have to conjugate leer. Decided to read. So decidimos leer some books, unos or los libros, either one, some books or the books, unos libros interesantes. Ooh, what do we need? There's more than one book, so we need an S. Unos libros interesantes. Bueno. Número 3, ustedes. That's you, plural. Aprend. You're right, it's aprenden. And then you need to aprenden a. Oops, hello. Aprenden a hablar. It's like to speak. You're aprenden a. Hablar just español. So you learn to speak Spanish. All right, now you try. Yo. Ends in an O, right? Yo corro. Whoops. Yo corro. Where am I running? In the stadium. Not I'm running the stadium, but I'm running in the stadium. En el estadio. When am I doing it? Los domingos. On Sundays, plural. Los domingos. And tú. That's you. Oops, won't let me do that. Tú. Yeah, yes. Asistes, so you attend a la clase. Need these little words there. A la clase de historia. Now, francés, but now it's historia. We need to make it feminine. So, francesa. Francesa, no acento. Tú asistes a la clase de historia francesa. Yay, bueno. Okay, fill in the blanks with the correct form of the appropriate verbs. We have abrir, beber, deber, aprender, comer, escribir. I think recibir was somewhere in there. Oh, there we go. Asistir, creer, and recibir. Bueno. Lots of good choices there. Put me a little smaller there. Okay. So open, drink, must, learn, eat, write, attend, believe, and receive. Okay. ¿Cómo son los sábados en mi familia? Los sábados, todos nosotros blanca una clase de yoga. What do you do to a yoga class? Do you eat it? No. Do you drink it? No. Believe it? No. How about attend? Asistimos a una clase de yoga a las 7:30. Mi madre es buena en yoga, pero mi padre practicar más. My father blank to practice more. He receives to practice more. No, he opens to practice more. He needs. Is there like a need or must? Deber. He needs to practice more. So deber turns into debe. Good job. Debe practicar más. A las 9 desayunamos en casa. Mis padres blank té. So it's tea. What are you going to do to tea? Drink it? Bueno, beber. So mis padres, both of them, beben, because it's like the eos form. Té japonés. Y mi hermana y yo. All right, mi hermana y yo. So we know it's going to be the EMOS form or IMOS. Bananas and cereal. Ooh, those are foods. So we're going to comemos. Bananas y cereales. Luego mi hermana y sus amigas escuchan música Y yo. Now, that's like a new sentence, so it's not music and I, but it's just and I. So it's going to be the yo form, ends in an O. Blank and mi diario. Now, diario is a diary. It's like a little journal that you write your thoughts in. So let's see if we can write. If you write, looks like scribble, escribir. Oops, hold on. Okay. Luego mi hermano y sus amigas escuchan música y yo, what do we say? Escribo en mi diario. Y tú, now we're asking you a question, so it's a two form. Blank, que es importante compartir actividades con tu familia? Do you blank that it's important to share activities with your family? Do you blank? Do you learn that? Do you eat that? Something looks like believe, like a creed. You know, like the Apostles' Creed is something you believe in. If it's credible, believe. Oh, there it is, creer. Yeah. So creer turns into crees with tu. So crees. Bueno, looks good. I think we got them all right. So, muy bien. Buena suerte. I'll check them for you just in case. In case I had a typo. Oh, no, muy bien. All right, fantastico. If you need help on anything else, just let me know. I can help you make some more videos. Hopefully, ustedes pueden aprender mucho de esto. And don't forget your extra credit assignment. I'm looking forward to seeing those. You're just saying some sentences. You can write them out ahead of time. All right, good job. Bueno.